down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burns, in the ring of fire, in the ring of fire. Stay. What's up, guys? How's it going? Mr. Guitarman here. Muito obrigado por ter assistido esse vídeo meu. If you live in the United States of America, you still have the chance to see me live in your city. Make sure you guys check out tickets.thedigitor.com. I'm going to be playing in 9 or 10 of those cities. Hello. You want to say hi to the video?
Not really.
No? You want to say hi to the video? Anyone who's buying tickets this week, I will put them in my next video. This is Brenton, who I'll be seeing on April 29th. So send me a picture of yourself looking like this. I have more info on my Facebook below. Go to this website, tickets.thedigitor.com. I also have a link down below. Come see me live. Tickets are going real fast, so make sure you guys get them soon. Also, make sure you guys check out my Tuesday video over here. And last Thursday's video over here. If you like this video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button above, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday.